So now students, we have to learn how to write a good paragraph actually. So how to write paragraphs. So actually, in writing a good paragraphs, in order to write a good paragraphs, students, you need to understand the four essential elements of paragraph. Essential means necessary, important elements, that can make a paragraph sensible, meaningful, and a good paragraph that you want to write. And actually, for writing that and how each element contributes to the whole, students, for writing a paragraph, you need to consider upon the four essential elements to write good paragraphs. And which are those essential elements? Actually, those essential elements are, students, unity, order, coherence, and completeness. One by one we will see these four elements of elements of writing a good paragraphs are the first is unity. Second, order. Third is coherence. And coherence means, a student, being consistent and logical. You have to be consistent and logical while writing a paragraph. Fourth is completeness. One paragraph must complete in dealing with one sort of topic. So students, as I told you, a paragraph is actually a group of sentence. So whenever you are writing a paragraph, and as I told you, a paragraph deals with only one topic, in one paragraph we cover only one topic. So all the sentences of a paragraph, as you know, a paragraph is a group of sentences, so all the sentences of a paragraph must only related to the topic or the theme on which you are writing the paragraph. So unity means to say the unity among the sentences of the paragraph. All the sentence must do not divert from the main topic of the paragraph. There should be a unity among all the sentences. It means to say that all the sentences must deal with only one sort of topic, and this is what unity is. So actually, whenever you are writing a paragraph, you will have to concentrate that the sentences that you are writing in a paragraph, and all the sentences that you are writing in the paragraph, all the sentences must be related to that topic on which you are writing. Suppose that if you are writing an essay, and in the essays, that an essay is divided into many paragraphs. So all the paragraphs that you write cover one topic. So in one paragraph, the sentences that you are writing in it must deal with only that topic. This all the sentences must be related to the topic. So actually, unity is the most important principle of writing a paragraph. In simple words, in constructing a paragraph, and that is why unity is what? Unity among the sentences, and all the sentences must deal with only one thought, and each paragraph must deal with only one topic or idea. And that is why whenever we change the topic, we change the paragraph. The simple principle of changing. Many times a student asks that when we writing a long text, an essay or a story, we generally change the paragraph, and not in that, also in question and the answers of the questions that you write from your textbooks, there also you see that you actually change the paragraphs in answer sums. And where do we change the paragraph? Generally paragraphs, we change the paragraphs where we are changing the ideas and thoughts and topics. Whenever we change the topic, we will have to change the paragraph, and in one paragraph every sentence must go with one on one topic only. It must the one paragraph, and all the sentences of the paragraph must be about only one thing, one topic, one idea, one. Students, I was teaching you about the parts of a paragraph and how many parts generally we write a paragraph. Such as a paragraph. What things are actually, what are the important aspects of writing a paragraph, such as unity, order, coherence, and completeness. These four were the aspects that you had to focus on in writing a paragraph, while writing a paragraph. But actually, a student, to practice that, how you can write a paragraph. Basically, unity actually is unity among the sentences, but the main thing here is to focus here is actually in a paragraph. We generally how to start a paragraph. Starting paragraph actually is very important, because it tells you that which actually the starting line, the heading of the paragraph actually tells you the topic about which you are writing the paragraph. So actually, to practice that, you just whenever you are reading a story or anything in a book, just read that, and and into every paragraph and to every paragraph of the story, just try to focus on the heading. What should be the heading or title of a paragraph. If you are reading a paragraph, just try to think that this paragraph is dealing with what, on what topic this paragraph has been written, and I give that to as a heading. Suppose you are reading a story, and in that story, the first paragraph of the story is the introduction to the character or introduction to the whole story. Then first paragraph is about. Every paragraph deals with only one topic, so the topic on which one paragraph actually deals, you just try to name it. So you would get to know that this paragraph is about what topic, and this paragraph is about what topic. Every paragraph deals only in single topic. So actually, which paragraph is actually describing which topic, that's what you would get to know when you start giving headings of a paragraph. And actually, and that's because students, actually, the first sentence of a paragraph generally introduces you the topic, on what topic you are writing a paragraph. So that is why the topic, theme, or subject of a paragraph is very often expressed in one sentence. The paragraph, generally the first sentence of a paragraph actually expressed this paragraph is dealing with what topic, this paragraph is on what topic, what topic you are covering in that paragraph. That is actually generally expressed in the first sentence of the paragraph, and that is why that first sentence is actually known as the topical sentence of the paragraph, or actually key sentence of the paragraph, because that sentence is actually telling you the paragraph is dealing with what topic, this paragraph is about which topic, that sentence actually expressed. That is why that sentence is known as a topical sentence, and or we can also refer it as key sentence, because it unlocks or opens the subject to be dealt with in the paragraph. So actually it tells you about what topic you are writing this paragraph. So student, you have understood unity, and then you have understand how you should start a paragraph. The starting line, the starting sentence of a paragraph must express the theme or main topic of the paragraph. And to practice that, how you would practice, to you would start giving headings or subheadings to the paragraphs which you are reading in the story, which you are reading in your textbook. You know, whichever story you are reading in a textbook, and the paragraphs that you are reading, try to find out that this paragraph is about which topic has been dealt with in this paragraph. Try to find out that. And generally you would get to know, even actually in the first sentence, just by reading the first sentence, you would get to know that this paragraph is dealing with what topic. So actually, when you start giving a name to a paragraph, that this paragraph is dealing with the eating behavior of the animal, this paragraph is actually describing the biology of that animal. So actually, you know, uh, every paragraph deals with only one topic, and when you will start giving the name of a paragraph, that in one word, which about which thing this paragraph is, then you would get to know how a paragraph is